Hey there folks, welcome back to Florida Food Forest. I wanted to make a quick video to show off a cool little plant. Let's check it out. Here's an interesting one, Salad Burnet. These guys are really kind of cool actually. They're short-lived perennial, they don't get monstrously huge. They easily reseed themselves. They get a nice looking little red flower on them. But really interesting is these leaves, these fresh leaves. Put them in your mouth, chew on them, a couple seconds later it tastes like cucumber. Really interesting. I've been adding it to water and tea. I'm interested to try it out. Oh man, these flies won't leave me alone.
You don't catch fly in fly trap. Fly catch you in human trap.
Anyways, I'm going to be adding it to salads and different things to see how it turns out. I understand you can add it to pretty much anything that calls for a cucumber. Add that, it should turn out wonderful. I know it tastes really amazing. Cool little plant, glad to have it. And the eggplants are definitely getting their grow on. It's cool to see these coming out. Alright, eggplant parmesan, here I come.
And the other plant of the day is the frog fruit here. I don't believe it makes anything edible for humans, but it is a wonderful little flower.
Hey, thanks for joining me today to talk about the Salad Burnet plant. If you grow this, let me know down in the comment section. I'd love to hear about different ways that you use it or your success or failure with it. Please let me know. Also, while you're there, if you could click the like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you get notified when new videos come out. I appreciate you watching. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.